Hey guys, it's Isabella, aka Silly Slime, and today we're going to be making fluffy slime. So the ingredients you will need to make fluffy slime are Elmer's glue, 1 cup, 2 mixing tools, lotion, shaving cream, and your borax solution, and green food coloring. So we're going to start off with pouring in some glue. About 2 cups-ish. Next, you will need the 1 cup, and you're going to add your shaving cream. You want to make sure you shake it before. This is when you need your mixing tool to bring the shaving cream out. And if you feel like you need more shaving cream, you may add more. Next, you have to stir until it's liquid. You want to make sure you get your edges. Next, you're going to add 2 drops of green food coloring. You can add more if you want it super green, but I want it at least a little bit to make it green. Now we stir. You don't want it to be swirly, so you just mix until it is smoothly one color. Don't forget you have to scrape the sides to get the whole entire color. Next, you will need your borax solution, and for your borax solution, you will need hot water and 1 tablespoon of borax. Now for this part, you want to add at least 2 spoonfuls of borax and mix. You can also add some more borax solution if it is a little too sticky. You stir until the slime is no longer sticking to the bowl. This is where it gets a little hard to stir because it's getting to its slime part. You'll know when it's not sticky, when it's not sticking to the bowl or sticking to the spoon. Make sure not to add too much borax solution or it will be a little too hard. Now it's time to mix with your hands. This is the messy part. You don't need to wash your hands after this. It'll eventually come off of your hands. Now, why we need the lotion is you want your slime to not be like breakable like this. You want it to be stretchy and soft. Now, if it's sticking way too much to your hands, you can add a little bit more of the borax solution. Next, I'm going to add some lotion. It's not too sticky or hard. And you don't want it to be crumbly or anything. You want your slime to be a little smooth. Don't stop. You can also add more shaving cream when it is already slime formed. If you want stretchy and stuff. Now I'm going to add add some more shaving cream. Don't add too much. So you want to make sure you rub it all the way around. Make sure you get every single piece so it's stretchy enough. Now if you want it very stretchy, don't add too much borax solution. I like mine not too stretchy, but I like it stretchy. Now it's gonna get to the part where it's a little like this. You want to let it dry for a little. Then you can just leave it on the table or something, go wash your hands, and then you can come back and then start playing with it a little more. See how it's like kind of like a paperish? You need to let it sit for a while, and then it'll be your fluffy slime. So now I'm gonna go wash my hands and let it sit on the table, and then when I come back, it'll be into its own slime. This is how you make fluffy slime. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, comment down below.